Happy birthday, Prakash. Every year we celebrate your birthday with our friends, but this year we can't meet them. Never mind. So I've told them to get a short video and say a few words about you. So here, go ahead, enjoy this evening and listen to what your friends have to say about you.
Hi guys, the party is on. Happy birthday, big brother. This is for all you guys who keep asking me who's older. Prakash, the perfect prankster, always up to mischief and too entertaining. Those of you who don't know, he bullied me, burnt me with an iron while I slept, just for the joy of seeing me dance. Prakash is my personal superhero, always there for me. He magically appears whenever I need him. I guess he has a wand. He's kind and full of love, and always there for you, spreading light, laughter, and color into my life at least. Prakash is daring and can do anything and everything. He's like this dawn. You can't miss him, always standing out. Lastly, Prakash is simply awesome. Just like me, we have it in our genes. Happy birthday, brother. Love you. Wishing you a magical, healthy, abundant, prosperous, whatever you desire, all that in your life. Big hug and loads of love.
I just want to let you know, you mean the world to me. Only a heart as big as yours would give so unselfishly. Even though I may not say, I appreciate you a lot. Truly best is how I feel, having a brother just like you. Happy birthday, Prakash. Wish you all the very best. Lots of love and big hugs. Cheers.
Hi Prakash, it's your birthday. Be happy, celebrate. COVID, no COVID, how does it matter? You're a star. You always will be. You're unique. You're Prakash Budrani. तुम बोलता है ना जिया जी कैसे हैं क्या हाल है हमेशा ऐसे ही बोलते रहना Prakash, you're a good soul. God bless you. May you have a beautiful year ahead. May you always thrive. And may you always put your hands on the people who need you. God bless you forever and ever. Thank you.
Guys, today's party from my side, from Prakash Buddhirani's side party. तुम समझो तुम समझ नहीं रहा है मेरा बर्थडे किसका बर्थडे है मेरा प्रकाश का बर्थडे है तो सब लोग भाई लोग घर पे ही खाने का घर पे ही पीने का बिल मेरे को भेज देने का ओके प्रकाश को भेज देने का बिल हैप्पी बर्थडे टू मी भाई हैप्पी बर्थडे टू मी तुम लोग समझो बिल भेज देना
Happy birthday, Prakash. Wish you a very happy birthday. Now, since you have cooked some amazing dishes in this quarantine period, so we give you this. Look properly. Master Chef of quarantine. We declare you the Master Chef of quarantine. And this chef hat is only for you. Now, since it's a theme party of hat, so this hat I present to you. And wait, there's one more thing. This is also for you. Congratulations from Cats and Dogs. Oh, meow. And now a birthday song for you. Happy birthday to you.
Shubham Prakash. This is how I start my day every morning with supreme knowledge from you. Blessed to have a friend like you. Happy birthday. Have a rocking day. Enjoy yourself. Love you.
अंदाज़ अपना अपना। भाई तुम्हारा भी अंदाज़ कुछ निराला ही है। योर सेंस ऑफ जोकिंग विथ फ्रेंड्स इज़ अल्टीमेट। बीट इन द किटी, बीट पूजा हॉपिंग, बीट हॉलीडे, किसका लेना है किसका नहीं लेना है तुमने सब मापा हुआ है। समझ रहे ना तुम? समझो? नहीं समझा? समझो भाई। हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैव अ ग्रेट ईयर।
प्रकाश का बर्थडे इसी मंथ में तुम्हारे साथ ही तो है।
हम लोग सारे टॉरियन है, मैं, दीक्षा, प्रकाश।
लैला भी।
प्रकाश का तो आज ही तो है उसका बर्थडे।
आज नहीं है।
हाँ, आज 13 तारीख है, आज उसका बर्थडे
ओ
है।
हाँ हाँ, बस सारा बर्थडे क्वारंटाइन में चला गया।
बट थैंक गॉड इस 50th बर्थडे नहीं है। स्पेशल होता उसके घर की हाउस पार्टी है। आई एम तो मिसिंग दैट।
नहीं, प्रकाश भी बहुत
एंड
enjoy
नित्या का थीम पार्टीज एंड प्रकाश की वो बातें जो है सब नित्या है। नित्या सो टैलेंटेड। नित्या के बिना मेरा क्या होगा? वो सब बातें तो मैं मिस कर रही हूँ।
प्रकाश को विश तो करता है।
बिल्कुल करना चाहिए।
हैप्पी बर्थडे प्रकाश।
हैप्पी बर्थडे प्रकाश।
भाई हैप्पी बर्थडे। कैसा है गांडू? कैसा है पूछा? ओके चल ठीक है, तेरा बर्थडे छोड़ दिया जा। और बता, अच्छा हो क्या रहा है तेरा? हाँ, इतना इम्प्रूवमेंट लाइफ में, इतना इम्प्रूवमेंट। साला 40 दिन में क्या क्या नहीं कर रहा तुम? ड्राइंग बना रहा है, गाना गा रहा है, हाँ, और क्या क्या वो एक्टिंग कर रहा है। तो हम लोग क्या करें फिर? अच्छा सुनो गंडू, हंसना भूल गया है। हाँ, सब किया है लेकिन हंसना भूल गया। अरे वो हंसी मत भूलना भाई, जो हम लोग को चाहिए, वही वाली हंसी जिसके कारण सब पागल हो जाते हैं। ठीक है ना गांडू? हैप्पी बर्थडे भाई, रॉकिंग।
Mr. Coronavirus, I don't really appreciate. You have spoiled many occasions to celebrate. Had it not been for you, had it not been for fear, today we all might have been enjoying an atmosphere. No issues, you parasite. There will be another day. We will celebrate today online Prakash's birthday. The virus, my friends, seems to have hit Prakash hard. Sometimes he dresses like a girl, sometimes he sings like a bard. I wonder if this continues, he may lose his mind. I think, Nitya, you should run Raj Couture. Keep this guy confined. I have heard that Samson had his strength in his hair. Prakash must be getting his stupidity from it, I swear. Enough of tomfoolery about you, Prakash, my friend. Here is something serious. Ears to me you lend. Thank you for being around. Congratulations on turning grey. In this year of lockdown, for your safety, we pray.
परकू हैप्पी बर्थडे। सोचा तो तुमने बहुत कुछ होगा कि बर्थडे पे ये करूँगा वो करूँगा। वायरस ने तो वॉट लगा दी, बट डजेंट मैटर, वी ऑल आर देयर। अच्छा बाय द वे, तुम्हारी बीवी बोली कि तुम्हारे बारे में कुछ अच्छी बातें बता, तो मैंने ये 3-4 बातें लिखी है, सुन लो। परकू इज़ अ गुड बॉय, परकू इज़ अ गुड कुक, परकू इज़ अ गुड सिंगर, परकू इज़ अ गुड सोल। Jokes apart, you really are a great person. Have a great birthday.
Happy birthday, my friend Prakash. So it's your 47th birthday. Asshole, you turned 47, do you believe it? Anyways, let me tell you, you're the best pal I have ever got it. Maybe we have got ups and downs, but nevertheless, that never took it away, you know. I love your charm, your wittiness, your craziness, your one-liners. You are you're none to anyone, my friend. You have your own charisma, and I want you to be that way. Well, we're not in Vrindavan at this point of time, but then you've never been out of our heart. I've loved you. I will always love you, and I wish you all the very best, that you dream of, desire of. I would wish you that you have many, many beautiful, charming girls around you all the time. And don't change ever. Just be your normal self. Love you and a happy birthday. Once again. Mwah.
पार्को मेरे भाई, विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे। मेरे चिन चिन चू, अगर मैं चिन चिन चू बोला तो भाई कैसे बोलूँगा? उस पर तो दिल आता है मेरा। गड़बड़ हो जाएगा भाई, कुछ करना पड़ेगा। चल मज़े कर, फिर मिलेंगे कभी ना कभी, तो ये दिन भी गुजर जाएंगे। एंजॉय।
Confucius says one picture is worth 1,000 words. I don't know how much you'll value this video of mine, but I spent a lot of time on this. My first Rangoli ever. Happy birthday, Prakash.
Happy birthday, Prakash. And you are allowed as a gift to keep all your bottles at my place for one day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Prakash. I cherish your friendship forever in my life.
Mom.
Cherish your friendship
I'll
forever.
always cherish
Happy
your
birthday, Prakash. Keep being the rock star that you are, and keep being the epicenter of all the mischief in the group.
And we cherish your friendship.
Yeah.
Always, we have always cherished your friendship.
Mom.
Too much cherishing happening. You keep rocking. Enjoy your quarantine, and we shall party once this is over.
Hi Prakash, a very very happy birthday. Wish you all the love and happiness in life. Just what else to say, just be the way you are, a good human being. Thank you for being a good friend. कहाँ तुम्हारा बर्थडे मनाने वाले थे एटमॉस्फेयर पे, just waiting, eagerly waiting for, to celebrate your birthday, but then still life is so unpredictable. Never mind, next year. अब बस बहुत हो गया यार, अब मिलना है मुझे. I'm really sick and tired of this lockdown. Just hope to meet you guys very soon. Thank you.
प्रकाश 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 ज्ञानचंद भाई प्रकाश,
मेरे ज्ञानचंद भाई प्रकाश,
यू आर सिंपली झक्कास,
बोले तो यू आर क्रेजी,
बोले तो यू आर फन टू बी, but you are awesome buddy. Happy birthday dear. Always be what you are.
Hey Prakash.
Hi Prakash, you are a fun-loving person, lively and full of energy. We are sure to get entertained when you are around, be it pulling someone's leg, irritating someone, or making a laugh about something. You are a champ.
Happy birthday, Prakash.
Happy birthday Prakash, have a fantastic birthday.
Hey Prakash, this is for you.
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Prakash, happy birthday to you. Keep shining, keep rocking, and stay the way you are. Lots of love.